So you put those two together and you get Ugochi, God's glory. Or it could also kind of mean like the symbolic way of thinking of like God's eagle. You know, it's kind of like a revered, magnificent animal, bird. You know what I'm saying? Something that flies in the air, high above the earth. You know what I'm saying? Basically like an amazing creature, but it's like a symbolic meaning of it. It's like God's eagle, but it's more so also kind of like God's glory or God's magnificence, God's goodness in your life. Ugochi. So, Ugochi's names give them the power to have personalities that are larger than life. They love public speaking, and they have great reputations. Tag and share this video with all the Ugochis that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo jinilo nano wakwezo?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think?